First of all, I have to add my thanks and gratitude to Stephens for Dave. We work so closely together, and I just can't say thank you enough. I can't say thank you enough for your leadership, for coming into my office, letting me know what's going on. You know, when you're in my position, you rely on people like Dave to sit you down and say, Gov, this is what I'm hearing on the street. This is what I'm hearing in the small manufacturing, which is family owned with 25 people. This is what, and that's invaluable to me. And I mostly listen to him, which is a good thing. And I know he's made all of our efforts better. And like every one of you guys, we ought to say thank you, because he lives and breathes manufacturing and is doing a terrific job. Stefan is excellent. If he only had more energy, it would be better. But look, these are the facts. When we started together as a team, there was no small business loan fund. There were no tax incentives for manufacturers. There was not a lot of staff at Commerce. We weren't paying attention to Davies. I mean, on and on and on. We didn't have this stuff. There was nothing happening in so many of these areas. By the way, we had the highest unemployment rate in the country. I think those two were related. And God bless you, man. He works 7 days a week because he cares about it and has a lot of points on the board. So please join me in saying thank you to Stefan. But really, I'm here to celebrate all of you. I love this event, I have to say. I love seeing you. I was here last year. If you have me back, I'll be here next year. I come for a few reasons. One, I believe in manufacturing. It's why I am who I am. It put my brother and my sister and me through college. It's the job my dad had. It's the job all of his buddies had. You know, they got in the carpool in the morning and they all packed their lunch and went off to the factory. And it was a good way for me to grow up. It put food on our table, a roof over our head, and got all of us through college. And it wouldn't have been that way but for a great manufacturing company. So for me, it's personal. And that's why I support manufacturers. Manufacturing, look around this place. You know, it's what's really interesting. I love it that you have it here. You look at the pictures on the wall, right? Those manufacturing operations are very low skill, a little bit dirty, you know, and so people think manufacturing, that's what they think of. That is not what you guys do. What you do is high tech, high skill, highly designed, new materials, innovation. That's manufacturing. And it's on display throughout this event. And I'm just so proud of you and so proud that here in Rhode Island, we celebrate manufacturing. Because we should. Because what you're doing is cutting edge design, cutting edge machining, cutting edge innovation. I'm looking at Christian Cowan. Polaris is amazing. Congratulations on your new grant. You know, we've got some of the best composites technology in Rhode Island that exists. So anyway, I'm clearly a believer, and I'm right here for you to help you. Real jobs and our training programs we need to continue to invest in. Davies we will continue to invest in. Reducing regulations, making sure that happens, and just making it a little bit easier for you guys to do business. And just know, I really value what you do. I have one official job, which is to officially proclaim this manufacturing week. I notice I'm going to have to sign it here. I wonder, does anyone have a pen I could borrow? Step right up. October 5th. And it begins, I won't read the whole thing, don't worry, but it begins by saying, whereas manufacturing is the cornerstone of Rhode Island's economy. So with that, let's proclaim this manufacturing week, and you just keep going strong. Thank you.